Hi guys, this is Ola from Cardbond. Welcome to the next part of our project series, and this is going to be our fourth part to be created, which is a simple circle that looks like this. I just call it a ring, but in the PDF file it's called a circle. Alright, so without further much blabbings to make, we jump right into it. Alright guys, so for this we begin by, let's see, very simple. We start and we click on the top plane this time around. We simply draw two circles, concentric circles at different diameters. So we could start with the 849 outer diameter. Zoom in a little. Repeat my circle, and then the 749 inner diameter. With this very simple thing done, we're almost done. And then if we take a look at detail B, we see that the thickness of this is 5 millimeters. So we finish sketch. We come over here, simply extrude and select on this profile. When we come here, we impute our 5 millimeters. Let's see how this looks. Alright, and we say okay. So still on detail B, we notice that we have fillets at the edges of the circle. So what we do is we go over to fillet, and then we select on this edge and select also on this edge. So make sure you're selecting this edge, and if you rotate, you notice I'm selecting this top edge also. So when those two are selected, we impute our radius here, which is 5, and say okay. So with this, that's pretty much it. Just inspect the sectional analysis to ensure that okay, what we have is what we should have. So if we look at the front view, notice that what we have here is just as what we have in our drawing. There's a curve here, there's a curve here, and we have our hatches. Alright, so I wouldn't say okay, so I'll just say cancel, and then we can save this part. That's the end, and we meet again in the next video.